It's Saturday, and I'm awake earlier than I need to be. No alarm, no reason. I just opened my eyes and felt ready. The house is still and quiet. Everyone else is asleep. I move carefully, trying not to disturb anything. The kitchen floor is cool against my bare feet as I walk in. There's something nice about that. The quiet, the cold floor, the early light. Coffee first. It's always coffee first. I don't really feel like myself until that first cup. I fill the kettle and switch it on. It starts its low, familiar hum. I lean against the counter and wait. I take my favorite mug from the cupboard, the big blue one. It just feels right for a slow morning. Coffee goes in. Then I reach for the sugar jar. It feels unusually light in my hand. I already know before I open it. Almost empty. Just a thin layer of sugar at the bottom. Nowhere near enough. I put the jar back. I stand there for a moment. No sugar. I look around the kitchen thinking. Then I spot it. A small jar of honey pushed to the back of the shelf. I'd almost forgotten it was there. Worth a try. I spoon a little honey into the mug and stir it gently, watching it dissolve. The kettle clicks off. I pour the water slowly and the coffee blooms up dark and rich. I wrap both hands around the mug. It's warm and solid. That's exactly what I wanted. First sip, it's gentle and sweet, different from usual, but in a good way. I think I like it. I take my coffee over to the table by the window. The morning light is soft and pale outside. The house is still quiet around me. Somewhere outside, a bird is calling. I don't feel like moving. It's Saturday. There's nothing I have to do, nowhere I have to be. I'm perfectly happy sitting here. The honey was a good call. Maybe next Saturday I'll leave the sugar where it is on purpose.